Here you've got Hammer Iron Free, and let me show you how to change video quality on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera. Now find and pick the video mode, so just switch to video mode by tapping on video and click on the settings icon. And here you will notice video quality right here, so just mark it, and now you can smoothly change it to the smaller or higher quality. It's up to you, whichever you would like to have and which you would like to record the videos. And this is it. That would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change video quality. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.